There's a whole list of reasons why you might like the fall season. Mine, it is apple season, and I have 3 children who love apples, so that is a big reason
You're a
why.
lucky man.
Yes, great to have Chef Roberto Fracchioni back on the show with us today, talking apples.
Talking apples.
Favorite apple?
Ooh, that's a tough one.
You got
Depends
one?
on the application. Galas. I'm kind of lean toward Galas.
I would go Gala too.
Yeah.
Honeycrisp would be up there too.
Honeycrisp is up there,
Yeah,
but a good
okay.
old Granny Smith sometimes, that nice.
Because cooking apple, you cooking different with some apples than just eating with apples?
Yeah, I mean, like anything, there's different attributes to different apples that lend itself better to different dishes. So for the first salad that we did today, that's this one here. It's a little grilled apple. So it's just apples that you just lightly brush them with a little bit of like a neutral oil, grapeseed oil, canola. Mark them on the grill. So with that, you want a sweeter kind of apple. The overall flavor profile of the dish is kind of sweet, so that's the Gala. Okay. Then there's a little bit of fresh burrata, some fresh sage, a little bit of honey, a little bit of olive oil, and arugula.
You say it way better than I do. Burrata.
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 We'll work on your R's. It's okay, you'll get there. It's just like a great way to, I don't know, make a salad not so boring. And if your kids love apples already, this way you can get some dairy into them, some lettuce, everything.
Oh, they love grilled cheese.
Grilled cheese. Who doesn't?
Come on, it's so easy. It's
I don't want to know anyone who doesn't like grilled cheese. So this is a grilled cheese, again, introducing apples. So 2 types of cheese in this, just because, I don't know, I felt like it. Yeah. So Havarti and cheddar, and then some sliced apples, and there's some caramelized onions in there as well. Ooh. Just to give it some richness and some depth and a little bit of, What's
this special one over here?
That's for you, Tim.
Oh,
that's your special one.
Oh,
I had a little extra prosciutto. I got here a little early, so I just crisped up the prosciutto di Parma in the oven. This is what it looks like.
Oh, right. Can we have a little taste test of that?
It's like amazing. And then I just
It just melts in your mouth.
I know. When you do it well, that's what happens.
Ketchup, yay or nay on your grilled cheese?
That you're eating it, you can do whatever you want.
Okay.
I'm not going to say. I'm not one to judge. And then this is a little Christini. So this is using apples as a quick little appetizer. So this we're going to do start to finish right here. So we're cutting some Granny Smiths because again, I want that nice bite, that kind of acidic, overall tone to it.
Right, keeping the skins on?
Keeping the skins on. I love that. That's where the nutrients are.
Right.
Also adds with your texture. So we're just going to do a really quick dice, and an important part when we're cooking with apples, remember that they oxidize, and they oxidize quite quickly. So throw that into a bowl.
So you're not making this and then throwing it in the fridge. You're making this and eating it right away.
Eating it right away. But we're just going to put a couple of drops of lemon juice on here. This accentuates the flavor of the apple as well, but it prevents it from oxidizing and going brown and kind of funky looking. Then again, like I said, I had some prosciutto di Parma, so we're going to cut this. So really, really, really hard to do this part, okay? We're just shredding. Nothing fancy here.
Just doesn't matter the piece.
Just throw
all of it too.
There. It's all good.
So you get like one for the bowl, one for yourself?
Well, I mean, it's lunchtime somewhere, so there you go.
Well, there you go, thank you.
So we throw those in, and then we got a little bit of some toasted pecans.
Toasted.
Throw those in.
You toasted those yourself?
Yeah, just a little olive oil, salt, pepper.
Right.
And then we have a little bit of cheese. So this is a little bit of piave, but you can use any sort of medium, hard, firm cheese. You don't want it too soft.
Where's piave compared to Parm?
Parmigiano's from central Italy,
right.
North central Italy, from Emilia-Romagna, and piave is from much further north. It's a mountain cheese. Okay. So a little bit more firm, a little more robust. And then we give this a toss.
Right. We could even do this for Thanksgiving, right?
Absolutely.
This weekend?
Absolutely. Throw a little sage in there, everything becomes Thanksgiving.
That's a small little bottle of old extra virgin olive oil. I bet you it's pretty darn good olive oil.
It is. And then a drop of honey.
Okay.
Just to kind of bring it all together. And then we toss this. The honey's going to dissolve.
You've already
I already toasted my Christini.
Toasted the Christinis?
Yeah, that's just a little bit of, generic, any old baguette will do. Okay. Olive oil, salt, pepper.
Let's throw those on there and wrap this baby up.
And then we toss this on, and it's crazy easy little hors d'oeuvre for Thanksgiving, for
Yay.
Christmas, for any time. And you can modify it however you like. If you don't like the prosciutto di Parma, you can leave it off.
Right.
If you want to change your apples, you want to change your nuts,
Do we put any more olive oil in there?
yeah, go crazy. You just want an excuse to take a little
A little
glug.
bit more on there. Okay, we got to go, but we'll hook up. Oh, look at that. Look at that golden color on there. Oh, chefy.
Yeah.
We shout out to Beamsville because that's where Chef Roberto Fracchioni is from. Okay? Great time of the year to be in Beamsville.
It is a great time of
Great
year.
time of the year to be eating apples. Cheers, cheers, cheers. Hook it up with our website, cach.com/morninglive.